Driveway and exterior maintenance starts with a clear, scheduled inspection plan that catches small issues before they become costly repairs. Begin by walking the entire driveway and perimeter of the home every 3 months, noting cracks, settling, drainage paths, vegetation encroachment, and surface wear. For concrete cracks under 1/4 inch, clean with a stiff brush, blow out debris, and use a polymer-modified cementitious filler, pushed firmly into the gap to prevent water ingress and freeze damage. For asphalt surfaces, route and fill larger cracks with a hot pour crack sealant after drying, and apply a rejuvenator or thin seal coating every 3 to 5 years to restore binder and slow oxidation. Grade and maintain a minimum of 1/4 inch of slope per foot away from foundations and paved edges to ensure positive drainage. Where pooling occurs, install a shallow channel drain or regrade the shoulder to direct water toward a storm outlet. Trim plants so roots do not undermine edges and remove soil buildup against hardscapes that can hold moisture and accelerate deterioration. Use a simple tensile test for loose pavers by tapping and checking for hollow sounds. Reset with compacted sand or a sand cement mix, and always compact in layers to maintain interlock. For finishes and paint, clean surfaces with a pressure washer at low pressure no closer than 3 feet, and allow full drying before applying primers and coatings rated for exterior high ultraviolet exposure. Common mistakes include ignoring small cracks until they widen into costly repairs, which you prevent by sealing early and monitoring every season. Another issue is poor drainage from grading errors or clogged gutters, leading to undermining of driveways and foundations, so check gutter downspouts. Maintain a consistent slope and install drains where water pools. A third frequent problem is using the wrong repair materials or techniques, such as applying water-based sealers on hot asphalt or overfilling joints. Follow manufacturer instructions, match materials to the substrate, and perform a test patch in an inconspicuous area to confirm adhesion and appearance. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide a place where people can discuss projects, share tips, and ask questions. We help contractors find work by making it easy to showcase past projects and join conversations in our active discussion community.